this video, I'll be showing you an overview on this product, along with my likes and dislikes about this product. Let's have a closer look at this Western Digital portable HDD, which is a portable hard drive. It connects using a USB-A. The reason why I bought this portable device is this is great for having it at home, so you can do your backups at home, not worry about taking it anywhere. You just leave it at home, so it's an extra backup. This device actually includes software, so you can install the software onto your computer. This has 256-bit hardware encryption. And what I like about this as well is that it's easily formatted. You can use the Mac format. It transfers your files at a decent speed. And one of the things I don't like about this is that it doesn't have the USB-C connector. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.